When it comes to skincare, consistent routines are key for getting the long-term results you want. But sometimes, despite your best efforts, you hit a rough patch. And I wanted to create something you could reach for in those moments to nourish reactive, symptomatic skin. I am so excited to introduce Prequel's latest launch, our 5% Ectoin Cream. This formula is designed to rescue you on those days when nothing else in your skincare routine can. If you're not familiar, Ectoin is a fantastic ingredient that I think is really just starting to get its well-deserved time in the spotlight. Ectoin is what's known as an extremolite, which is a small organic molecule that protects microorganisms living under extreme conditions. And in skincare, Ectoin does the same thing. It protects and defends your skin by binding with water to create a nourishing shield of hydration around cells. Every day in clinic, I see patients who are struggling with chronic skin conditions like psoriasis or eczema, and they often need more than just a moisturizer for those rough, reactive patches of skin, which is why I wanted to make this. You may notice this is in a smaller tube than our other products, and that's because this is a specialized formula meant for targeted application. This cream contains a potent 5% concentration of Ectoin for use on the face and body where your skin is symptomatic or needs a little extra attention. Think of it as something you would use on flare-ups or where your skin needs targeted relief. The beauty of Ectoin at this 5% concentration is it provides long-term hydration and stabilizes the skin barrier, relieves and calms dehydrated and irritated skin, and reduces skin sensitivity, visual redness, and topical symptoms like roughness and scaling. Plus, it protects the skin against environmental stressors. This is a safe and effective, steroid-free solution to help the skin when you need intentional relief. Aside from Ectoin, this formula contains a gentle resurfacing complex comprised of 5% urea, 3% hydroxyethylurea, and allantoin, which together soften and eliminate dead skin cells to reduce roughness, as well as soothe and hydrate while supporting skin renewal. It's also packed with glycerin, a humectant that hydrates the skin, and you already know we love here at Prequel, and panthenol that further strengthens the skin barrier. This is a great skin-soothing topical that you can use to help reduce the symptoms of reactive or inflammatory skin conditions. Now, when you go to apply this, you'll notice it's a creamier ointment, but it has amazing emollient properties. It absorbs effortlessly, it doesn't feel greasy, and it dries down to a natural silky finish. But one thing I love is that you can still feel where you put it, which I find extra comforting when you have compromised skin. To apply this, I would recommend just gently massaging it over any skin areas on your face or body where you're having a flare. In my clinic, one complaint I get often from patients is that prescription ointments can be less than pleasant to use. And what I love about this Ectoin cream is that it feels like a specialized treatment, but it's just as enjoyable to use as any other nourishing skincare products in your routine. And at Prequel, having something that you like to use and feel motivated to use is always a priority. The last thing I wanted to note is that it's very common for doctors, especially dermatologists, to prescribe topical steroids when someone is having a flare of their skin. And although this absolutely does not replace what a topical steroid can do, it provides a drug-free option for people who are looking to soothe areas of reactive skin. If you're wondering whether or not you can use this on your kid, what I can tell you is that I would feel comfortable recommending it to my pediatric patients, and I would feel comfortable using it on my 3-year-old son. This product is fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and allergy tested. It's also suitable for all skin types, including those with sensitive skin and those who are eczema prone. As a dermatologist, I'm so happy to be able to offer an effective, drug-free option for people who are looking to take care of their reactive skin. I'm so excited our Ectoin Reactive Skin Solution Cream is here. I cannot wait for you to try it and truly feel it working in those moments when your skin needs relief. And it's now available on our website, prequelskin.com.